Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, so I haven't made a video in 2 weeks, 14 days. So this will be 2 videos in one for week 28 and for week 29. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. For the past week, it says I'm down about $4.29, but it is unrealized gains, and let me show you why. I have one stock that I'm watching this week. I am watching JNUG. I bought in at a few different times. My average cost right now is $13.59. It's showing a total return of negative $15. So, what I'm doing on here, it really spiked up 1366, 1368. I could have sold and I think made about $8 or $9, but what I'm really doing is I'm waiting for it to bounce to at least a $14 mark, or even to a 14, or even a $15, $16 mark. So that's really what I'm waiting for. I'm kind of got out of some of the trades I had the last couple of weeks. Been trying to do some more day trading, and so says I'm down, but I'm really not down. And if you look at my history, let's start on the 27th, because that's when I really that was the last time I talked to you guys. I sold Berkshire Hathaway B. I sold for, let's see, or let's start on the 26th, actually. I sold Apple on the 26th for $21 profit. I sold Visa for $8 profit. Sold Intel for $7 profit. Sold Berkshire Hathaway for $5 profit. And sold, what else? Sold JNUG, lost about 43 cents. Sold JDST, got about $1.07 on that. And then with basically when I sold HD, UGAS, JNUG, all this week I lost $2, $3, $4, $5. I lost a lot of money on various trades. Nvidia, when I bought at $237 and then ended up selling at $223, I lost $14 on that trade. Pepsi, I lost 60 cents, but got a dividend capture of $3.22, and so that kind of helped. All in all, for the week, though, of the 26th through March 2nd, I actually profited $15. I had made $42.25 in profits on trades, and I lost $27.30 on trades. So, all in all, I made $15 for the week of February 26th through March 2nd. Moving on to week 29, which starts us on March 5th, I basically seen some more opportunities to buy, and so I did. I sold Zynga, which was a free share. I got $3.52. I sold AMGN for 73 cents. I sold Berkshire Hathaway for $3.50 profit. I sold JPM for $3 profit. I sold Facebook for $5 profit. And then I lost $3 on STRA and gained another $1.50 on NOC and a couple cents on Berkshire Hathaway B again. And then I got a dividend payout of $1.32. So all in all, for week 29, March 5th through March 9th, I made $14.81. So I'm averaging about $15 right now in trades for the week. And then with Pepsi right now, I do have a dividend pending March 30th for $3.22. Now, with all this said, I have an account of $900. I have $300 in buying power, which means I only have $600 in on JNUG. I'm down 2%, but $15 of $900 really isn't 2%. That's just what it is of the 600. So, honestly, if this spikes up, and when it does spike up, even if it goes to 14.59, that's a $1 increase on 46 shares. I'll be up $46. So that's really what I've been wanting to do, start day trading a little bit more and really start locking in some profits a little bit quicker than what I've been doing. I've been just kind of buying JPM, Visa, Berkshire Hathaway, some of these $200-300 shares, and just kind of watching it go up 2 or 3% a month. That's awesome. Yeah, anybody can do that, but I definitely want to get into more day trading, and I have the money now to be able to do it a little bit more. I am up $25 for the month, up $82 for 3 months, and it hasn't been a year yet, but since August 15th, I am up $304, which is 50% of my portfolio. So that's not bad. 50% for the year is actually really good. I know a lot of people really strive to get, even 10, 15% a year. Some people laugh at me and say, oh, I got 50% profits in my account. They laugh. They're like, oh, okay. How? What are you doing? Is it real money? Yes, it is real money. And yes, I will be able to pull it out whenever I want. I don't want to right now. I'm trying to build it up to where I can start making, $50 to $100 a day. And when that happens, maybe be able to spend a little bit less time at work and more time at home doing things that I want to do. So, not much is going on. I know I have a lot of subscribers out there who want me to be constantly putting out videos, and I'm just super busy doing a lot of different things. This is just kind of like a fun little hobby I've been doing. If you haven't checked out my website, I've been doing a lot of work on that. It's www.cleverperceptions.com. Check it out. If not, check out my Facebook group, my Twitter page. I mean, really, you could find me anywhere. You could type in my name, Johnny Insignius, or you can type in cleverperceptions.com, and boom, I have all my links on my website for you right there. All right, so with that said, you guys have a great day and a great weekend, and tomorrow's Monday, so have a great day trading, and guys, lock in your profits, okay?